All right, so we're looking at geometric transformations right now. Transformations. Literally meaning to change the form of something, okay? So the first one that we're going to look at is translations. And a translation is literally a slide. We are taking points and we are sliding them across the coordinate grid, okay? In most situations, all you'll have to worry about is, do you know the direction, okay? The only work that you'll have to put in it, because they'll say 5 units down and 2 units to the right. So let's start that with this one. Okay, so here's a rectangle on the coordinate grid, and we're going to label that rectangle A, B, C, D. Okay, so say theoretically there's a problem that says translate rectangle ABCD 10 units down and 3 units right. What is the new point of point D? What is the new location of point D? So literally all you have to do is count. So I'm going to switch my marker so you can see me doing it. I'm going to switch to a nice blue color, and then I'm just going to translate 10 units to the right, or 10 units down and 3 units to the right. So A, start with A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I went down 10, and then I just wanted you to see me going down. Now I'm going to go 3 units to the right. 1, 2, 3. So this is the new point A. So I'm going to erase that so you don't see 2 points. And then I'm just going to say 1, 2, 3 and make a real point, okay? So here's A prime. Now, because it's not the original point, you are going to label it prime. Well, you could go A prime, prime 2, A prime 3, you could do, or A double prime, A triple prime. It depends on how many translations or transformations you have to make. But since it's only one right now, we're just doing A prime, okay? So then B, again, same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3. That's B prime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3. That's C prime. And then D prime is obviously going to go here. So now you're just going to connect those to make that beautiful rectangle. And then the question is, what is the new location of point D? So now we're going to have to locate point D. So we start at the origin, as always, right here. We're going X first and then Y, so right and left first, and then up and down, okay? So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the new location of D is -4, +8. And that's it. That's your translation, okay? Now, in other situations, they will give you the points. They will say A is 0, 0. B is 2, 3. C is 6, 3. And D is 8, 0. Okay, so and then it'll say, translate the following. Again, 5 units up and 2 units to the right. 5 up, 2 right. So all you're doing is you're going to start with this to plot the points. So we already have the first point plotted based on the origin. So 0, 0 is the origin. Now we're going to look at, and that's point A. Now B is 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. That's point B. C is 6, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. And then D is 8, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so same thing. We're going to draw those lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, because it has one pair of parallel bases, and then it has two other lines. This is obviously a trapezoid, and all it's saying is go 5 up and 2 to the right. So I'm going to switch to orange so you can see the trail. So I'm going to go 5 up from A and then 2 to the right, and remember that I'm going to be using primes now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2. So this is my new A. So this is A prime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Okay, so B, I'm going to go do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. That's B prime. C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. And then D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Okay, and that should be all for translations, okay? Notice that the direction of the shape stays the same. So this is still the top, and this is the top, and this is the bottom, and this is the bottom. So notice that we're not flipping the shape, we're not rotating the shape, that's coming next. We're maintaining the integrity of the shape. It's as if you have a piece of cardboard that's in the shape of a rectangle or a trapezoid, and you're just moving them with your finger around the coordinate grid, but you're keeping them in the same direction the whole time. You know, if we actually drew something on here, if we drew like say we drew a car or a bus, let's say we drew a tractor trailer, okay, because that's way easier than anything else, okay. Say we drew this tractor trailer, and it said we need to translate this tractor trailer. You know, again, we can use the same thing, 5 up and 2 to the right. So notice that this tractor trailer is looking this way. This driver is driving in this direction. The driver is going to continue driving in the same exact direction for the new tractor trailer, okay? It's not going to change. Or if we did let's say we had a cute little turtle. Our cute little turtle is looking this way. Okay, our turtle is going to stay looking that way. It's going to cross the road that way. Hopefully the turtle doesn't cross the road, though. Hopefully it goes toward the bog, because that's actually the number one killer of turtles is automobiles. So this turtle is looking this way, and it's going to stay looking left toward that quadrant. And it's not going to change its direction for translation. Okay? So the secret word for this lesson that you will have to put into the Google form is turtle. All undercase, turtle. Okay, I'm not going to spell it out on the iPad, because you guys shouldn't need me to spell turtle for you. And in addition to that, all you'd have to do is search the video for a keyword. So I'm going to do all verbal keywords, okay? You can spell turtle, but all lowercase, okay? So that'll ensure that you've watched this video. Have a great day. I hope you understand translations, and I will see you in a minute when we cover our next topic.